Hi everyone, today we're cooking up something amazing. I'm showing you guys how to make a garlic chicken stir fry. It is absolutely delicious, takes about 30 minutes. Let's get started. All right guys, to begin, I have 4 chicken thighs here. Boneless, skinless is the way to go. I'm going to pat it dry. You can use chicken breast if you like, but I like to use thigh, it's more juicy. Once I'm done, I'm going to dice the chicken just like this into small bite-sized pieces, something like this. Once you're done dicing your chicken something like this, you are going to grab a little bit of oil, drizzle that on there, mix it up together just like this, and then you go in with your seasoning. Always mix the seasoning before you add it in. Just pour that all over. Mix it in, make sure every little piece of that chicken get the seasoning, and you are done. I have Creole seasoning, onion powder, lemon pepper, garlic, and some parsley in here. And my chicken is nice and done. Let's move on to the next step. We're going to begin by adding a little bit of oil to my medium high heat skillet. Then we're going in with the chicken. I'm going to pan sear the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're nice and golden brown. All right, now let's flip the chicken over. Ooh, it looks so beautiful, nice and golden brown. The aroma in here is absolutely amazing. Just flip it over, and sometimes you can just move them around here and there just to make sure all sides are nice and cooked. So I'm gonna let it go for another 4 minutes, and then we'll remove it, set aside, so I can show you guys how to make the rest of the dish, okay? The chicken is nice and done. We're about to remove it so we can set it aside for now. Now we're about to make the sauce. And this is the chicken, looking absolutely mouth-watering. We're going to set that aside for now. To the same skillet, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. I'm going to allow that to melt. Once that is nice and melted, I'm going in with some bell peppers and onion. I'm adding the bell peppers first because I don't want to overcook the garlic. We want a nice, flavorful chicken with the garlic in it, so you don't want to cook the garlic too much. So I'm going to saute the bell peppers first for a few seconds. Now I'm going in with the garlic. I'm using 2 cloves of garlic. Add that in, and also I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Okay, I'm going to stir it. I'm going to lower my temperature. While that is frying for a few seconds, let's mix our sauce. To make the sauce is very easy. You can make it before or after, or while we're cooking the bell peppers. This is the oyster sauce. Next, we're going in with a little bit of hoisin sauce. This sauce, I feel like you can literally use this by itself. It's so tasty, okay? Also, we have a little bit of soy sauce going in. Mix that up real quick. And as well as a little bit of rice wine vinegar. I'm adding my sesame oil in there as well, and also we're going in with some cornstarch to make it nice and thick, okay? You can mix that in. And also I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of water, and we have some pepper flakes, okay? Add that in. In that sauce, we're going to pour it right in my pot. Pour it in just like this. Beautiful. Mix it together. Give it a few seconds to get nice and thick. Now we're going to reintroduce the chicken back in the skillet, just like this. Give that a mix just like this, and your chicken is done. You'll see how saucy this looks. It is absolutely delish. You can pour this over rice, over pretty much anything. It's so good, or you can eat it by itself. But I'm ready to eat, so Let's plate it. It looks so good. Oh, that looks amazing. Quick too. I literally just made this in 30 minutes. Easy, delicious, better than takeout. Way better. And there you have it, garlic chicken stir fry. Let's give it a try. Looks really, really tasty. Oh, that sauce. Imagine putting this over a bowl of rice. Wow. So good. Y'all hear that crunch? The bell peppers are perfectly cooked, not overcooked. Perfect. Absolutely delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to give it a like if it was helpful. Also subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.